Well, happy Tuesday, everybody. It's John at Mountain West Autos here in Twin Falls. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, I've got a really nice 2011 Ram 1500 Sport to show you today. As you can see, it does have the remote start. It's got the good-looking Ram hood, the good-looking Sport hood. It's got the Sport front bumper. This is a good-looking truck. Good-looking 20-inch rims. It's got the running boards. Let's pull back on this so you can see how clean and straight it is. As you can see, it's got the backup sensors. It's got the power sliding window, backup camera, dual exhaust, tow package, straight down both sides. This is a really nice truck. Wow. I'm just going to walk around this so you can see how clean and straight it is. This is a nice Ram. All right, let's take a look on the inside of this. As you can see, it's got the world famous 5.7 liter Hemi, and it is super clean under there. Your battery's protected. If I get that to work right. And then the interior on this is really nice. It's got the heated seats, the cooled seats, double glove boxes. It's got the backup camera, dual climate control. There's your 110 power inverter. It's got your bench seats with the console, which is nice. As you can see, it does have the sunroof. Really nice seats back here. It does have the subwoofer. It's got the Alpine upgraded sound system. All right, nice truck. Power sliding rear window. Super clean back here. Headliner's clean. As you can see, it's got your power seat, power lumbar, power windows, power door locks. 112,624 miles. Wow. Super low miles. Start this. There's the backup camera I was telling you about. It's coming. There we are. Well, there's my truck. It's got Bluetooth. It's got voice command for hands-free communication, sunroof, heated seats, cooled seats, power inverter, power sliding rear window, and I've got a great price on this too. Call me, text me, email me. Let's get together. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you're having a great Tuesday.